Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, we are going to demonstrate right here, guys, on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here. But even if you have a different year, that generation, it will work as well. We have two fuse boxes. One of the fuse boxes, the main fuse box, is under the hood. We're talking about that fuse box right here above the radiator. But we need to find the one that's actually in the cabin and the one that's in the passenger side, in the foot well, under the glove box. Okay, you can see kind of like that on the right side. You remove that panel right here, you open it, and you're going to see your fuse box that will look like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly show you where exactly each one of those fuses is located. But before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
For central locking, you need to check two fuses. Some of you may have only one, you may have two. The first fuse that you may have is row number 2, 1, 2, that second row. From top to bottom, if you have a missing fuse, you count the spot 1, 2. That second fuse, that's known as fuse number F-20. That could be one for central locking. Ours doesn't have that one. But you may have another one which is known as fuse number F-32. That's the third row, 1, 2, 3. That third fuse, that 15 fuse, that's the one that you need to check right here.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.